What's going on, guys? It's Moto Mike back with another video. Today we got the bike here. We have a huge install announcement. Finally got a pipe for the bike. It's a Yoshimura slip-on RS-4. So we're gonna do an install and rev video for you guys. I'm also gonna compare it to the stock slip-on. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So here's the RS-4 exhaust. As I said, I picked it up for an amazing price. They retail for about $6.99 US. Seen them for $7.99 US. I ended up paying $500 cash Canadian. It's brand new, it's never been mounted. This guy just bought it for the wrong bike, or I think they shipped it for the wrong bike actually, and they wouldn't let him return it, unfortunately. So he told me he paid, I think, about $1,100 taxes in after shipping fees and everything. But here it is. Yoshimura RS-4 slip-on. Looks unreal. You can see RS-4 there. Nice carbon tip. Got the connecting pipe. Also comes with a manual, which is super neat, which I love. Comes with the exhaust plug, the Yoshimura branded one. That's sweet. Also comes with some stickers in here that I already put away. Oh, my bad. And then just the nuts and washers and the spring clamp you need to connect it all together. So we're gonna put this thing on the bike and compare how stock slip-on sounds versus this RS-4. So here's the stock exhaust compared to the RS-4. As you can see from our previous exhaust video, the welds held up nice on this thing. Beat that up after a couple crashes and dinging the pipe. But yeah, it looks a lot better. So I just hooked up the slip-on quickly, got the clamp on there. Got the new rubber grommet, everything's ready to go. So we're gonna put this thing on now. So we got the RS-4 on. It was actually a lot easier to do it in two pieces, as you saw me struggle. And yeah, it looks unreal. So I just put this on first, put these kind of half tight, and then slip this on, put the spring on, and then just lined everything up and tightened it. Can't wait to hear how this sounds, so let's do a sound comparison for you guys. thing sounds amazing over stock. It's my first ever pipe, so it's a huge deal for me. I know you guys know the feeling of when you get your first dirt bike exhaust. Awesome feeling, great sound. Can't wait to take this thing for a rip this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you guys soon.